How to open Halifax Bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to open your Halifax Bank account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and type in halifax.co.uk and press enter. Once you are on the Halifax home page, tap on the menu section. Here in the bank account section, tap on the reward current account. Then scroll down and search for the login button. There you can see the scanner provided. You can scan the code and download the mobile banking app on your mobile devices. Once you are on the mobile app, you can click on the apply now button to start your applications. Now you'll need to fill up in your you will need to fill up your personal details. This includes your name, date of birth, and contact details. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate. Next, provide your address and employment information. This helps Halifax verify your identity and access your applications. You will also need to verify your identity by uploading necessary documents such as valid ID and proof of address. Now review all the information you have entered and make sure everything is correct. Then tap on the submit button to complete your application. And that's it. You will now receive a confirmation that your application has been submitted successfully. Halifax will review your application and contact you for the next step. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.